We have here the Affetto Cafe automatic espresso machine. It doesn't have the frother, but we do have an instruction manual here that actually.
Okay, so here's where the water goes.
Here's where the water goes. Very nice. In the back there, not too bad. You just have to swing the unit around if you're under a cabinet so you can access the water, or swing the top of the lid back far enough and you can add it in with cup by cup.
That's where the coffee goes.
That's where the coffee goes. Non-oily coffee beans, it says. It said non-oily. There's a little oily. Is that okay?
Hopefully. You can change the dial of how fine of a grind you want.
How fine you would like to grind. Okay.
We'll just leave it in the middle.
Okay. Very nice. Smells wonderful. It has this giant, huge cylinder in the front.
You can push it down if you want
you
to
can
adjust it.
Okay, very
If you have
nice. Taller cup, smaller cup, shorter cup. Very nice. What do we have on the side? Oh, you have a tray that comes with. That's great. A drip tray. You can just.
Here's another drip tray.
That's wonderful. Oh, okay, more. Pull out drip tray. That's very nice. And then back here, on the side rather, you just push that. You have here a cartridge that gets grinds in it you must clean out periodically. And you just go ahead and push it back in and make sure it's attached properly. And then it has some further instructions here, tips and tricks. And you just go ahead and nicely put the cover back on.
There's the buttons up here.
Oh, wow, those are really nice.
You can do hot water, my cup, a lungo, Americano, espresso. We'll try the espresso.
Let's try it.
First of all, let me turn it on.
All right, so there we go.
So now we're going, first you have to turn the power button on. Mm-hmm. And you're said to hold this down for 5 seconds. That was the hot water.
Okay. And it does do this rinse cycle. And it spits out probably about, or shoots out rather, about maybe a
tablespoon?
half an inch. Yeah.
Maybe
a tablespoon worth.
Okay, okay, now it's not on rinsing anymore, so let's try the espresso.
Okay. Okay. It says add beans, stir. Okay, so something's happened now. It says add stir beans. Not sure why it's saying that. Oops, how did I get this on?
Just press it down.
All right, so we get it going. Here it goes. So this has Wi-Fi, but we have not set up the Wi-Fi yet. And it took a couple of tries on the first time around with the espresso. But we had to hit it a couple of times and open up the lid there and stir the beans a little bit. And now it seems that it's primed enough to where it's actually possible for it to brew. And that doesn't look that dark. I don't know if there's different settings in here. smells dark, but it could just be our beans as well.
It's a fresh bag.
There you go. To your house. Pull the tray out, and there's where your waste comes out. So you only periodically have to pull that out to clean it. So to enable the Wi-Fi, you had to hold down the Espresso and Americano for 3 seconds, and then your Wi-Fi will blink as such. And from there, you go to the app, and everything takes about 10 minutes to set up, and it will go solid. And it looks like it's still blinking in the video, but in reality, it's not blinking when I'm looking at it here, so that's strange. Anyway, there you go.